Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about gold. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders analysis to see what institutions in the market are doing and how they're moving and shifting their orders, and then I'll put together these two different types of analysis. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which at the moment is in a very strong uptrend. The market has created here a series of monthly higher highs and higher lows, pushing to the upside quite aggressively. And in this kind of situation, what you would expect is first for the market to create a correction and then new continuation to the upside. And this is a natural continuation for every uptrend. What you expect is during a correction to see new institutional buying pressure. And in this case, that is exactly what we got every single time. And we will speak about that institutional buying pressure at every correction in just a few moments when we move to the commitment of traders analysis. But for now, what we can expect is some profit taking on the institutional side of the market to see the market start this correction and then the continuation to the upside. So let's keep all of this in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, here on the weekly, we can see that clearly we are right now inside of a very strong weekly supply and resistance zone. In fact, if we look here on the left, we can see that exactly here we had the creation of this huge wick. Now, when you see a wick like this, it usually means that the market has reacted to the zone quite aggressively. Then the market went back inside of this zone, and right now we are inside of the same zone that the market reacted so aggressively to just few weeks ago, which means that this zone could easily be a distribution area. Now, what is a distribution area and a distribution phase? Well, when you see an uptrend, okay, the market is creating higher highs and higher lows, then we see a massive rejection, and then the market starts trading inside of that rejection. As we're seeing right here, we had this massive rejection. Right now, the market is trading inside of this rejection. What you could see here is profit taking from an institutional perspective. So all the institutions that were in these longs, big players in the market, start closing their longs. So we have a distribution phase in a range, and then the market inverts, which, by the way, would give us exactly the correction that we were speaking about just a few moments ago on the monthly time frame. And right now we are already seeing the start of a rejection lower. But again, we will see if institutions are taking profits in just a few moments when we move to the COT analysis. So just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. Before here on the daily, we dig more into what we have from a technical perspective. First, let's check what is going on when it comes to the big players in the market. Now, if we're looking at the data for gold, we have to keep in mind that this is already gold USD, okay? Because that is how the data is already reported. And what we can see is that net positions with the last reports have in fact been massively decreased. We went from 251K all the way down to only 159K net positions. Now, most of this decrease in net positioning comes from longs getting closed. We're going from 296K longs all the way down to 211K longs, showing strong institutional profit taking. And at the same time, what we can see here on the short side is that we are starting to see also some slight increase in the shorts, going from 46K all the way up to 52K from an institutional perspective on gold USD. And what we can see here is also, if we're looking at the open interest on both sides, we can see that the non-commercials, so in this case, the speculators, these are the big speculators in the market, okay, so non-commercials, what we can see is that the short interest compared to the overall interest on the short side, so the one from the speculators, is starting to essentially be increased here. We're going from the lows here at around 8.5%. We're now at 12%. So even institutions that are in the market just for profit are starting to increase their interest to the short side. The long side, they're starting to decrease it. In fact, we're going from 52.6K here at the high, we're back down at 50.4K. So let's keep all of this in mind and move back to the chart. By the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you'll find linked in description, so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in a situation like this, what do we have? Well, first of all, I spoke about gold just a few days ago when the market was here. I explained all the reasons for which after this impulse, I was expecting a correction that retested, in fact, this previous resistance turn support. Then we started to see a rejection higher. I made a full breakdown explaining all the reasons for which I was expecting the continuation all the way to this previous level of supply and resistance, this one here, from which all this push lower was created. And then from here, I was expecting a rejection lower. And in fact, that is exactly what the market did. We had the test and immediately massive rejection to the downside. And by the way, now that the market has created these moves, you can also go and check out all these previous analysis that I will link in description, so you can go and check them out for more free education. But at the moment, what do we have? Well, at the moment, we have a very interesting situation in which the market is precisely at structure. This zone was acting as previous structure resistance, preceding all these rejections to the downside. Then the market broke above that zone. That previous resistance became support here. Right now, the market is still holding above this zone as support. So we could expect more bullish continuation away from this area if institutions were actually buying. But institutions, as we have seen, are closing their longs and opening shorts. Therefore, I wouldn't be really interested, at least at the moment, in a long. In my opinion, what would be way more interesting is if, and of course we don't know if we will see a break lower, but if we do see a break below this zone, that is where things get interesting, because after a break, this previous support becomes resistance. So after a break, on the retest of the previous support and resistance, this is where we have even more a possibility of seeing institutional shorting and institutional profit taking on their longs, further increasing the probabilities of a potential push lower. So if we will see this break and retest, what would I expect? Now, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift here from an intraday bullish to bearish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a potential rejection lower away from this area for the market to complete this daily impulse correction and impulse pattern to the downside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis and education that you see me share here on YouTube is actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you really want to go into the details and really learn more, I definitely suggest that you go and check out my website, which you find linked in description. Here, you have the possibility to learn everything from the very basics of charting to the most advanced topics that you definitely cannot afford to miss. You find all my courses, over 12 gigabytes of courses, and you also have the possibility to gain access to the trading show software with the Telegram notification integrations, one-on-one private mentoring, the COT data software. So really a complete learning ecosystem. And on top of that, you also have the possibility to integrate and gain access to my entertaining trading show, in which you essentially get every single day all my trades as they're happening live on my account. So all the trades that I'm entering, exiting, how I'm managing them, all streamed live directly inside of the trading show. You also have the possibility to check out all my strategies. So all the strategies already automated. Here you will see videos of historical backtests on more than 10 years of data of every single strategy I have and strategies that I run on my own account, which is also the ones that basically you see on my MyFX book, the explanation of the strategies, the historical backtest of the strategy, and how I'm actually trading on my live account. And if you continue to scroll down, you will see that you have the possibility here after the testimonials to join and gain automatically access with the email and password that you will create during the sign-up process. So I really suggest that at least you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.